Hi guys, welcome back to Shellcode, AI-driven trading channel. Today we are talking about February 13 Friday analysis and my gold trading analysis for that day. Before we dive into the trades, let me share the overall market view I had going into Friday's session. So the overall outlook for the gold was negative, and let me tell you why. You see, this is 50-minute chart. On the previous day, February 12th, Thursday, we saw huge selling pressure around 9:30 p.m. You can see, right? And approx, and this is on 15 minutes, 2%, 2% gold dropped in just 15 minutes. It went till overall drop was 3.33%, but in just 15 minutes, there was only one candle. So this selling was significant, and based on that momentum, I was expecting a negative move the next day, and it was a logical expectation given the strength of the evening sell off. We saw, uh you see, if I go into the time frame, and you see 4 hours timeline here, and this level 153k, 1,53,000 and 1,55,000, right? So which validated the bearish outlook. Now let me break down the technical setup. And I was watching. I keep I'll keep things simple and primary use of 9 EMA on my chart. You see, if I go back to the 15 minutes chart, and this blue, EMA, you can see 9 EMA. It is already there. So I was monitoring 50 minutes time frame. I noticed something important. There was an indecisive candle. You see, this is indecisive candle forming. This indecisive candle told me the market was hesitating, and I started watching closely for the next candle formation. As soon as I realized the next candle was going to form under 9 EMA, I knew this could be high probability trade setup. The 9 EMA acting as a resistance combined with the bearish movement from the previous day gave me the confirmation I needed. That's when I decided this is a good trade to take. So I executed two trades. I was not able to record the live session because I was busy in my office work. So I executed today two trades based on this setup. Let me share some details with you. You see, 1,20,000 P. This was a gold gold mini, and other was normal gold, and this was again 1,20,000 P both, and uh, right, you can see here. And I held the trades for approximately 30 minutes. I was uh, I was trading gold on a platform where I get good leverage, right? This is done. So I generally get good leverage. My total investment was, you see, approx 45,000. Now there is an exciting part. Within just those 30 minutes, I was able to generate a profit of 17,000. That's more than 30% in less than half an hour. That definitely leveraged amplify the returns, but the key was having a solid technical setup and proper risk management. So these are two trades that I took. Right, moving back to the chart. Additionally, I want to let you know, yeah, I will go with. Now you might see a third trade on my screen if I am sharing it. That's one was taking in the morning. Just ignore that one for now. It was just a quick scalping trade, not part of main strategy I'm discussing today. The focus here is on those two main trades that I held for 13 minutes based on 9 EM setup and the bearish buys from the previous day. So my key takeaway from the Friday market are, see, always you have to always consider the previous day price action. That's Thursday evening sell off was major clue. These scandals, these big candles, right, without wick. And keep your technical analysis simple. The 9 EMA was all I needed for the confirmation. I waited for profit confirmation. The indecisive candle, this one you see here, let me just make it bigger. This candle and 10:45 candle followed by price action below 9 EMA. And manage your time and position. I held for just 30 minutes, took the profit, and use leverage wisely. It can amplify gains but also increases risk, right? So remember that. All right, so this was all about Friday Gold, MCX Gold. If you found this video helpful and enjoy the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel Shellcode, right? And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I post new AI driven trading analysis and strategies. And if you are interested in learning opportunities and want to know more about my trading approach, feel free to contact me through the email ID that I have given in the description. Until then, happy trading. Thank you.